Oh, birds on plumbing for the Super Mario Brothers movie.
Okay, I don't think. Well, wait, was that a hammer?
Yeah, we're the plumbing, like the crack, the leak. It's for the Mario Brothers.
Is there a leak in my?
No, it's not about that. The Mario Brothers, they're plumbers, so it's funny. It's like birds on food, but what do you mean we can't do? Well, okay, like that's not my fault. The sink is fucked up. It's not my. No, I didn't fuck up your sink. I didn't do that. Okay, I know. Yeah, this is a good idea. Yes. This is a good idea. Yes. Very good.
Much better than
Oh, bird. So, where were we just now?
Tito's Squid, very, very well-known Italian restaurant in the city of Richmond. I figured no better place to honor Mario and Luigi than a nice Italian restaurant.
So, for my appetizer, I got the turnip soup, and for my meal, I got carbonara. What'd you get?
I had a veal scallopini in marsala sauce. Jammy aftertaste, like
earthy.
Figgy, fruity, earthy. Yeah, that was. Woo!
We also got a side of the gumbo
and calamari. You want to know a fun fact about calamari?
Let's hear it.
Up to 30% of all calamari sold in restaurants is pig bung. I'll tell you what, though. I already knew.
A good time.
Great family atmosphere, real cozy, and you know that's Mario too. That's the Italian American aspect. Family oriented, nobody left behind.
Nope. Very
we can
cozy.
do anything if we're together. Tito's Squid Hall. What's the review? Is it honks?
Absolutely it honks.
Oh my God, I'm so full, Dustin.
Now we'll go see Super Mario.
Oh, my belly.